Hey, good evening, everyone. So, right in the previous session, we discussed about what is the power of prop firm trading. If we use proper strategies, if we wait for proper setups, how much potential we have, because you can scale up as much as you want. There is no limit on how much income you can make. All we need to do is wait for proper setup or wait for our proper strategy. So today I'll explain about two important strategies, and if you follow those strategies, 90-95% of the time you can make profits every day. Right? I already explained them in live sessions, but I want to do a refresher. I want to do a reminder so you all can remember that, because understand it how good it will be where you can make 30,000, 50,000, 60,000 per month. Right? How much it can change your life. How much better financially settled you will be. So all you need to do is without FOMO, without, right, you need to wait for a proper setup. So that's what today I want to explain you how to wait for those setups. Again, I understand that we all make mistakes, right? But if you make mistakes 1 out of 10 times, that is okay. But if you are making 9 times out of 10, that is not acceptable, or that means you don't want to achieve that your goals and dreams, right? You are just trading with FOMO or with emotions, but not trading with a proper plan. If you want to go to some new place for the first time, right? You always have a GPS, you have a plan, right? Okay, I have to go here, I have to go here. If you have Tesla car, you will also plan where you have to charge your vehicle, right? Where you have to stop for coffee or break. Like that, you have a proper plan to reach to your destination. In the same way, for our trading also, we need to have a proper trade plan, right? We need to have a proper approach, proper strategy, so you can be successful. Without a strategy, you don't know why you are entering a trade, why you are exiting a trade, why you are not taking a stop loss, or why you are taking a stop loss. If you don't know what you are doing, then definitely our results also will be like that. But when you trade with a proper plan, proper approach, proper strategy, you will have 85 to 90% success. You will not, right? You will not make mistakes. You will not blow your EA accounts or evaluation accounts or performance accounts. So I'll explain you, right? Before that, I'll give you a simple example, right? So you understand the core concept behind the trading. Please try to understand that. So let me. So already in the previous session, we understood about what are prop firms, what are the benefits, all those things. So So if you understand this concept, most of the time you may not mistakes again. Right? Trading is all about trading in a box. Right? Think about this trading in a box concept. This is like, right, the bottom line is like your discount zone, or it is bottom of the channel, or it is like in a reversal band, it is like a bottom of the right, the bottom band. Whereas this one is like your equilibrium or a midpoint. This one is like the premium zone. So if you want to buy something, right? Let us say you want to buy a land or you want to buy a home. Do you want to buy somewhere here, or do you want to buy here, or do you want to buy here? Whom do you think, right? Let us say A is buying here, B is buying here, C is buying here. Who do you think is more intelligent? You can post in the comments so that I know who is getting it or who is not getting it. Mm, exactly right. A, B, C. If someone is buying here, he might be more intelligent, because whenever you want to buy low, sell high. That is the core concept of trading, or core concept of our life, right? You always want to buy low, sell high. Or if you want to sell something, right, because you have to move to a different state, different location, it is always better you try to sell here, right? Sell at the top, buy at the low. That is a common psychology concept. Sometimes price may break here and go little bit up. We call it as a breakout, or right. This is like your resistance. Your top line is your resistance. Your bottom line is your support. This is like your midpoint. Sometimes when it is right a bullish ticker, it will go all the way to the top. Then it will come to the midpoint. Then again it will go little bit up. Again come to the midpoint. Again go little bit up. Come to the midpoint. Again go little bit up, like that. If it is a bearish ticker, it will come all the way down. Then it will try to go up, but again come down. Again it will try to go up, again come down. Again go up, come little more down. Like that, the bullish and bearish tickers will be there. So whenever you want to buy, and if you are a buyer and you see that some of your friends are also buying here, right? You came from India or you came from a different place, and you see that all your friends are also buying at this place, then you have much more confidence to buy here. Otherwise, you might be thinking that, oh, if I buy here, it may go further down, because already price from the fair value it dropped all the way here. From $100, it dropped to 80. It may go to 70, it may go to 60, it may go to 50. You might be worried. But if you see that there are more friends of you are buying here, you will gain the confidence, right? Yeah, I am only showing the Word document as of now. So that's what is our concept of T55 strategy, or our concept of price pulse indicator. It's always better you buy. So this is our discount zone, right? The bottom is, because once you understand this concept, you can apply this for anything, to buy the stocks, to buy the bull puts, to do the bear calls, or to do whatever it is. The same strategy applies for futures, for your prop firm trading, for anything. If you understand this, so this is like your premium zone. This is like your fair value or equilibrium zone. This is like your discount zone, or this is your bottom of the channel. This is your channel top, right? If you use top trend indicator instead of discount and premium, we say that as channel bottom, channel top. This is the fair value zone, which is like your midpoint between the channel and top. So before even using the indicators, I want to show you where we generally make the mistakes, right? Even sometimes I make the mistake. So for example, yesterday it was going all the way here, somewhere here. I took the bull puts. I should have waited for the price to go here, and then if we took bear calls, I would have made 500, 600% with the SPX puts, SPY puts, QQQ puts. But I thought like, okay, because it was going up, it may go all the way here, then I can take profit. But suddenly there was a big drop. So that's where we generally either, right, your first best point is, if someone is buying here, you see that you are at a discount zone, and also you see there are others buying, that is your best time to buy, right? If you buy calls here or you do bull puts here, you will easily make profits. 95% you will make profits. or you are here at the premium zone, or you are at a channel top, and you see some others are also selling, right? It can be a big company, you see some sell orders here. Then if you do bear call spreads, or you do puts, or right, or you short NQ, or you short the stocks, because 50% chance it will minimum come to the fair value zone, if not all the way to the bottom, right? So if we can wait for price to come to this discount zone channel bottom, and there are hundreds of stocks, hundreds of right options, hundreds of currencies, and then you have nearly 30, 40 futures instruments. So every day there will be many setups. So if we are at a discount zone, or we are at a channel bottom, and also we see some support, or we see some buy order blocks, that is the best time to buy. That is the best time to buy the stock, to buy the calls, to do the bull put spread. So if I do bull put spreads here, because already I see a lot of buyers here, even if it goes up, comes down, again the buyers will push it 80 to 90% of the time. There can be always that 5-10% like yesterday, where even though there are buy orders, it started dropping. Even though there are a lot of big buy orders here, because the number of sellers are much more than the buyers here, it broke the support, came again. We thought it will go up. It tried to go up, but it was struggling here because there was not sufficient number of buyers to take it up. It was trying to go up, come down, trying to go up, come down, trying to go up. So, but if we do, if we buy bull puts, right, every day, if you wait for when market opens, if you are at a discount zone, and also you see some buyers here, right, discount zone, panel bottom, plus buy orders. So if you are at a discount zone or channel bottom, right? If we are using top trend, we call it as channel bottom. If we are using price pulse, we call it as a discount zone. Plus, you are also seeing that there are some big companies, right? There is a 100K buy order, 50K buy order. That means there are more people. It is not only you trying to buy it, you get confidence from others that, oh, they are also buying. Then your risk is only 5%, right? There are only 5% of the chance you may lose money, because even if price goes up, comes down, again these buy orders will push it up. All these are limit buy orders, right? Once you understand the concept, we will see the indicators, right? Because once you get this concept, you can make success with anything, right? For any instrument, it can be India stocks, India options, it can be US stocks, US options. The concept is same. So generally, if when you, for example, if we start a day and you see that Tesla is at a discount zone, you also see limit buy orders, right? When at around 8:30 or 8:15, then you know that there is a high potential for Tesla to go up. Or you see Nvidia here, or you see SPX here, or you see QQQ here, or you see SPY here. Then you have 90% of chance of making money. Or when the market opens, it is somewhere at the premium zone or at a channel top. Plus, you also see some sell order blocks, limit sell orders, right? Then there is a 90% chance it will drop. So if I buy here, my stop loss will be somewhere little bit down. If you buy here, do you know where it can go? So there is a much higher risk, right? If you are buying at a premium zone, that's what most retail traders, what they do is they they buy somewhere here close to the premium zone, because they see that price is going up, up, up. Suddenly we get, right, our greed emotion kicks in. We feel like it may go further up. We buy somewhere close to this premium zone, and suddenly the big companies will start selling off, right? Suddenly those big red candles will come, and we will be stuck there. So if we can maintain our emotions, only to buy here. This is our best opportunity. If you buy here, 95% you will make money. If you buy stocks, if you do SPX, bull puts, QQQ, SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, whatever it, Microsoft, whatever it is, you are buying, right? For prop firm trading, you use 5 minutes. For in 5 minute time frame, if you are at a discount zone and also you see some limit buy orders, if we buy here, your risk is minimal. And also, still another best opportunity is sometimes what price will do, generally it will come here and then go up and then retest the support one more time. That is much better opportunity. That means already one time it went up. There will be some sellers here, some sell orders. They will try to bring the price down. But again, there are a lot of buy orders here. And if so, if it is already a double bottom and started going up, then that is the number one opportunity. So, number one best opportunity to make gains for long. Retest of discount zone plus buy order blocks. Right? This is the number one best opportunity. If already it came here, touched it, tried to go up, and again touched it, and again it started going up, you will not make a mistake because it started going up, sellers try to bring it down, and again buyers are taking it up. That means sellers will lose their control. You will not go wrong, right? 95% you will make gains. So second best opportunity. So the second opportunity is where you are already here. It did not do the retest. It came all the way down from the fair value. Now it is at a discount zone. You also see some buy order block. You are not waiting for the retest of it, right? Directly you are buying. Sometimes directly it may go up. Sometimes it will go up, again come down, and again it will start going up. So that is the second best opportunity. Right? Is it making sense? Retest means so price came here, went up, again touching the price, right? Again coming down one more time because there are some more sell orders somewhere here. They are pushing the price down, but the buyers are again pushing the price up. That means the number of sellers are very less here. If if the sellers are able to break this, then it may go further down. But if the buy orders are pushing the price up, that means there are so many buyers, the sellers will stop selling anymore. They will lose the control and buyers will take the full control. So this is your, if you see this pattern, you can confidently, right? That is 95% you'll make money. You can, instead of one contract, even you can take two contracts also. So this is the second best opportunity where, so if, for example, you have a 50K prop firm, 50K account, right? Again, I'll show you the real charts and explain you the examples. But for now, if you have a 50K account, this is the best opportunity. If you have 150K account or 100K account, then even though it may not do the retest, right? Because sometimes what happens, it comes here, starts moving up, you will take it. Then immediately it will start dropping. You will get panic. If you have 50K account, again, if you have NQ or something, you may have 400, 500 loss by the time it comes down within one candle. You will get panic, you take a stop loss because you have a small account. But if you have a big account, you are close to this area, then you can hold it. So even though you are buying here, it goes up, again comes down. Even though you have a some 3, 400, 500 loss, you can hold it with confidence, and then again it will go up. Again, you will make profits. So if you have a 50K account, you better wait for this the discount zone plus channel bottom, or discount or channel bottom plus limit buy orders plus a retest of this zone. Then you will 95% here. If you have a big account, you can hold the trades and you have nearly 80% chance of making money. If you are at a premium zone, right, that is our best opportunity. Again, how you can make money? It can be anything, right? To make money, there are so many different ways you can make money. You can, right? You can buy stocks, buy option calls, buy bull put spreads, buy futures, buy bull puts on futures, buy calls on futures. So if you are trading stocks, you can buy, right? If these two conditions satisfy, you can buy the stocks, or you can buy the, if you see the trend is very good in the trend table, you can also buy the, or you see a huge buy order block, 1 million buy order block, 500K buy order block, something like that, a very big buy order block. Then you can even buy the calls, because whenever price hits it, immediately, suddenly it will go up. Suddenly within 5-10 minutes, you will make 30%, 40%. Or if you see not very huge order, but some small order, or your trend is not very strong, you can do the buy bull put spreads. Or if you are trading prop firms, you can buy futures. You can buy calls on the futures. You can buy bull puts. You can do buy currencies, right? Or you can buy commodities, buy crypto. So it's all about whatever instrument it is. You can do all these things when either this condition happens or this condition happens. Those are the two best opportunities. Then the third best opportunity, again, if it is 150, 100, that is the better. So price is at fair value zone, right? You are not at a discount zone, but the price is at fair value zone. Plus, you can see a lot of buy orders here. So price at fair value zone, and you see buy order blocks, then you have 70% chance of making money, right? You are not at a bottom. You are somewhere here, but you also see some buy order blocks, some big buy order blocks there. Then that is the third best opportunity to make profits. So in the same way, again, as I mentioned in the previous session, once you understand this logic, you can trade whatever you want. There are prop firms for everything. For stocks, you have prop firms. For options, you have prop firms. For futures, you have prop firms. So, I'll also show you some live examples for Monday, so you understand the concept better. So yeah, there are so many different ways you can make money once you see any of these three conditions. So is everyone clear with these three conditions? First, yeah, before going to the short, is anyone Right, for day trading. Yeah, as of now, we are talking about day trading, right? Mainly, right? So our focus is, right, you can always trade in personal account, but you have limited potential with a personal account. So we are talking about day trading for prop firms using 5 minute time frame. So this is our main focus as of now, right? We are not talking about swing trading or anything because our focus is make money with 30, 40 companies. You don't want to just limit yourself to one personal account. We want to use the compounding factor. You want to use the scalability factor so that you are spending only 1 hour a day. But if you can make 2,000, $3,000 in that 1 hour, then you can enjoy your family time with your kids, with your family for the rest of the time, right? That is our focus. So our right, whatever strategy I am sharing right now today is mainly for day trading on the prop firms using 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, again on the right, I see that H1B questions, visa related questions. Generally, if you have right, as long as your payroll is getting run, then there should not be any issue. They send a 1099. You are not getting paid by another employer. You are getting a 1099, which is more like a miscellaneous. So that should not be any issues. But if you again, these prop firms are across the globe. You can even trade from India also. So if you don't want to take any risk, if your wife is on H4EAD, you can do on her name, or you can open LLC. Your payments can come to LLC, or you can right, use your India information, India credit card, and do as a Indian citizen. Like that, you can do all those things. So yeah, you can use the strategy for personal accounts also. There is nothing which will limit you. Yeah, you can do it on personal. You can write at the same time. You can also write trade on personal and also prop firms. There is no issue. But mainly what I'm telling is it is more on the day trading. Okay, let me also put that individual accounts using 5 minute time frame. So when one of these conditions happen, then you can do anything. Then you can buy stocks, buy option calls. You can sell the puts, sell puts, buy bull put spreads, sell bear calls. So if one of these if you see any of these three happening for any of the ticker, it can be stocks instrument, it can be futures instrument, it can be commodities, it can be currencies, anything. You can do all these things, right? For example, yes, I saw that there was a huge block at 6140, right? Let us say while sleeping on Thursday night, I saw that there was nearly, so that was one of the issues, but right, I saw there was nearly 140K. That is a 1 hour resistance. Nearly 140K on ES is very, very huge. So what I did, I kept as I kept a right, I did a bear call spread above this. Because if price comes here, it will definitely drop so much. So I did a bear call here telling that 6140, 6150, I collected the premium. That means if price hits, it will come down. Then all that money is yours. Right? I thought overnight itself it may go up and then drop. Then by the morning it will. But then next day morning I thought it may go hit this and then drop. But suddenly here itself some sudden right, because of the news or that Trump announcement. Even before hitting this, it came and then suddenly we saw a big candle. But that's what, right? If you see a premium zone and you also see a big sell order block, now either you can buy the puts, you will make a lot of money. You short the futures contract, you will make a lot of money. Or you do a bear call spread above this, you will make a lot of money. Right? That is like without taking lot of risk, there is a huge sell order block. You go and do bear call spread here. you can make nice profits. So right, again, if somebody is new, this is like our premium zone, right? This is like our top of the box. This is the mid of the box. This is the bottom of the box, discount zone. So our if you want to go long, if you see something like, for example, let us go to copper, right? Just right, so that you can see some big buy order blocks. I am using a 1 hour time frame. So, for example, let us say copper HG comes here. You see, there are a lot of buyers here, right? Not only you are buying, your friends are also buying. Then you can confidently buy here. You will make nice profits, right? Your stop loss can be somewhere here. So either it will come here and go up, or come little bit down and go all the way up. So easily you will make $400-500 if you wait for price to come here, right? Whether it is 5 minutes or 1 hour, you put a level here, or you put some, right? You can always draw a line here, because that is my support. And even before reaching, if I want, I can put an alert. I will take 4.850. So you are adding that there. So this and start going up. So now if you put an alert, and you will see a notification, and let's see it is somewhere at the bottom. Now copper is somewhere at the top, right? It went all the way to the top now. So because we are discussing about the discount zone, I'm telling you that if it, so if price comes to a discount zone where some other companies, other buyers are buying, then you know that you are buying at a discounted price, and also there are a lot of other people buying. Easily you make discounts. So you see there is no resistance. There are no slaughter, no big red boxes or something. This is your first option. Or if you just come here, you are okay to take invest, then you can even without waiting for the retest also you can buy. That is the second best opportunity. Then, so if when the price is discount, your favorite opportunity. So price came all the way to the discount zone. This also came all the way. You take discount, a lot of other people are already buying. Perfect confidence. Then you want to go wrong 99% of the time. Going back to, so these are the most important tickers we use. Even though these are our QES, YM, RTY, natural gas, silver, gold, platinum, oil. These are the tickers to use on a daily basis. So whenever you want to trade, right, we're close to this discount zone, or is any one of this close to premium zone, then that is your best candidate. You don't need to trade anything else. Right? If you find one, then you do one or other. You discount, one source premium. For example, tomorrow evening, right? Tomorrow evening, you are somewhere here. So now all we need to do is price starts dropping. This is already at the top. If this turns to red, this starts dropping, then you know that sellers took the control. All this time, buyers were having the control. Now there are a lot of sellers. You are at a premium zone, you are at the top of the box. You can easily make $400-500. Right? $400-500 only one account. If you have 10 accounts, your $5,000 is done. And if copper is bearish, mostly gold and silver also be bearish. So now you can also go to gold. Oh, sorry, it seems my voice. Okay, let me just restart my trading. Is it clear up or not? Not hear me? Is it still breaking or? Yeah, I think there is some internet issue. Okay, is it better? Okay, cool. Okay, so right. So initially, what I did is I explained you just with a simple box. Right, I explained you to take a long position if you want to make a lot of money without taking a lot of risk. What are the best opportunities every day? So if it price comes to the discount zone and also the season buy orders, that's the second opportunity. Third best opportunity, you are somewhere in the middle, but also there are a lot of fair value, some order big buy order blocks. That is the third best opportunity. If any of these conditions happen, if you are looking it on Tesla or Nvidia, Microsoft, any stocks, you can buy stocks. If you have what tech you want, then you can buy stocks. All only possible like it's unlikely. But you need to say 360, it's 355 good, buy three spreads. You can buy futures, you can buy puts on the futures. So watching what are the different things you can do, like QQQ or QQ stocks or ETFs. Buy QQQ or EQQ calls. Buy SQQ puts. So I'm just telling you, right? If you're just watching one chart, right? You are not even watching 10 different charts. So if one of these condition happens, right, and you are just watching only one ES chart or one SPX chart or NQ chart, you can make money in so many different ways, right? You can buy the QQQ or TQQ ETF. You can buy SPX or SPY or QQQ or TQQ calls. You can sell SPX or SPY or QQQ or TQQ puts. You can buy NDQ or US 500 in the forex prop firms or in your personal accounts. You can buy SQQ puts or you can sell sell SQQ calls. You can buy bull puts, buy bull puts. So again, it might be right. If you are completely new, it might be overwhelming. But just I'm telling you what is the power. If you just to watch one chart, if you just wait for one good opportunity, right? It is here, either this or this or this. You can make money in so many different ways. So now you are only trying with futures prop firms, or you may be trying in personal account. But there are, right, for example, stock fund app. It is for a stocks prop firm, right? Very soon they are starting the options prop firm also, right? Earlier also they had options. Now they are just revamping their. But so you are 10:50, right? Because if it comes here for next half an hour, 1 hour, right? On Friday morning it came to the premium zone. Then it came all the way to it is coming. So next 1.5 hour it will be in the same trend. So you have lot of time to make money in all these ways. Yet you are not just looking for just making with futures. You can make money with forex. You can make money with futures. You can make money with stocks. You can make money with options. Even YM, if ES moves, if you go and see, right, ES dropped completely on Friday. If you go and see YM, generally YM also follows the same trend. Your NKD also follows the same trend. So you are only watching one chart. Now you can see how many ways, right? If you wait, right? But we understand the power of waiting for a good setup. Uh, is on. So I will not share the card. Are you getting it? Are you getting the power? If you wait for a good setup, how many different ways you can make money? Because all of these move in the same direction, right? Basically, SPX, you call SPX for options, right? SPX is like 10 times of SPY. SPY, right? If you want to take a small risk, then you can do SPY. Want to take risk, you can take SPX. Yes is for futures. NQ is for futures. In the same way, you can also do. Let me go to a different room. Let us see if internet will be better there. Is my voice better now? Is it clear? Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. Thanks for confirmation. So, yeah, what I'm trying to explain is there are so many tickers which move in the same direction. So if you wait for one good setup, right? If you wait for one of these setups, when ES comes to this point or ES is somewhere here, so you can make money in so many different ways. So SPX is like 10 times of SPY. So SQQ is opposite of QQQ or TQQ. So all these different ways you can make money. All you are doing just waiting for one setup. In the same way, if you get these one of these conditions, right? If you are at a premium zone or channel top and you also see limit sell orders, then you can make money in all these, right? Instead of buying, you can sell. Instead of calls, you will buy the puts. Instead of selling the puts, you will buy the calls. Right? Instead of buying NDQ or US 500, you will do sell NDQ or US 500. So that is what we can make just by watching one chart. So again, going back here, so if you see copper, now tomorrow evening, let us say you are somewhere here, you also see some sellers. This went all the way to the top. So you can see, right, it is coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. So tomorrow, if you see a red dot here and it is at a premium zone, easily you can make few $100 with a shot, right? You are at a premium zone, it will go to here, this will go here, touch that, then start dropping. Then you will easily your $400-500 is done. If copper is bearish, then generally GC also will be like that. So GC also you can see it is at the top. So GC also can drop, right? Because all these metals move in the same direction, right? All the general, most of the indices move in same direction. If you find it, then mostly NQ, YM, NKD, everything will also drop. If gold is bearish, you can just go to silver, platinum, copper. You can make money in all of them. So if you make $200 here, 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, your $800 is done. 200 with ES, 200 with NQ, 200 with YM, 200 with NKD, your $800 is done. So that's it. All you are waiting for, either you are at a bottom plus buy orders or you are at a premium plus sell orders. Some cases you may see, right? For example, if you go to some stock, So for example, right, you have a huge buy order block here, right? You are close to a equilibrium zone and there are a lot of buyers buying here, right? So you are not at a discount zone. In discount zone, you have 101,000 buy orders, but you are somewhere in the middle and you see 32,000. For example, this comes all the way to the bottom and you see a green button and also you see somewhere you are here. Then you are at a equilibrium, then it can go all the way up. So if your T5 is at the bottom and you are somewhere in the middle, so that is your next best offer. If you are at a bottom discount and you also see big buy order block, that is your first best opportunity. But if you are not here, you are somewhere in the middle and you see a buy order block, that is your second best opportunity, right? So don't buy somewhere here because you, even though you may see sell orders here, that's what happened yesterday, right? Sell orders were somewhere here. So I thought it can go a little bit up, we can make profits. But suddenly it dropped, even right, just it touched the premium and suddenly it dropped, even though there were no sell orders. So only either buy at the discount or buy at a fair value gap or equilibrium if you see big buy order blocks and if you see T5 in the green. Otherwise, your best bet is buying here. If you buy here, your risk is very, very minimal. If you sell somewhere here, your risk is very, very minimal. If you are buying somewhere here, right, it can go up, it can come down. So always try to buy close to discount, sell close to the premium. Need any questions on this? So we'll all so again when you have the indicators will do all those zones, everything for you. You don't need to do anything. So for example, if you are buying here, right? Let us say you are buying here. Let us say this one is here. So your stop loss can be little bit down, right? Again, you have a EMA 200 line. It can be somewhere little. So you if you make, you'll make $500-600. If you lose, you will only lose $100. Or let us say you are buying here, right? This is your previous candle. So if you are buying somewhere here, your stop loss is here. If it goes, it may go all the way up here. So you will make $500-600. Your risk is $100. Your risk to reward is very high, 1:6, right? If you lose 100, you make 600. So your 90% you will win because not only you are buying, it is already oversold. Lot of other buyers are buying, lot of limit orders are waiting there for price to come here, and then immediately price will go up. So that is how, if you wait for a proper setup, you can make lot of money with stocks or options or futures, whatever it is. We can make huge profits every day. So this is our magic pattern where again I will show you, right? So this is the perfect example. Yesterday while live trading we got the magic pattern, right? It started dropping. Then we entered a short, suddenly it dropped all the way to, right? It went all the way to the top. Then you saw, then we took a short gold, right? You can do bear call spreads. We can make a lot of money, right? We did bear call spreads. Within few minutes, we made $500-600. We got a short on GC. Within few minutes, we made $1,000. So this is our magic pattern where T5 went all the way to the top, started dropping. You see a nice gap. Then this went all the way to the premium, started dropping. This became blue to red. This became green to red. If you just wait for this strategy, or this came all the way to the bottom and now you see a nice gap, right? Don't trade when these two lines are very, very close. So if you open this, so sometimes there can be a lot of consolidation, right? There can be a lot of buyers trying to go up, sellers. So when there is no gap between these two lines, you should not trade. When there is a nice gap between these lines, that is where you will take the trades. Here you have a lot of gap. So if you wait for this magic pattern, this went all the way up. In the upside, you will make $1,000. In the downside, you will make $1,000. Or even if you make $200-300, $200-300, right? In this is a $1,000-2,000 range. This is a $2,000 range. But even if we make $300, copy into 10 accounts, that is a 3,000. Even if you make $300, you waited, you saw a nice gap between them, and you saw that gold is at a premium zone. You take a trade, it came all the way to the discount. Right? So that is our magic pattern, which is our first strategy. Always try to sell at a premium, buy at the discount. Right? Premium zone, short, and discount zone, buy. Then the other strategy which I mentioned is, for example, right, even before market opens, go to 1 hour. So first thing is our magic pattern. So if you wait for these two conditions or these two conditions, so if you wait for any of these two conditions, we can make nice profits, right? So T5 is oversold and started moving up. So what is this is our T5. So this is oversold, right? Sellers took the control, brought it all the way down. Now it started moving up. Now there is a nice gap, and price came all the way somewhere to the discount zone. So then you will make nice profits. Or you are at somewhere at equilibrium with a big buy order block, right? This is a buy order block like that. Or you are at a premium zone, you got a sell order block, and you see a nice gap between those two. So here you are close to a discount zone. It came all the way to the bottom. Now you see a nice gap. Then you go long, you'll make easily $300-400. Again, it went all the way to the top. Again, you see nice gap, started dropping. You'll take the short and you'll make $300-400. So that is our magic pattern strategy where you have to wait for those conditions. So T5 is oversold, started moving up. And if you see a nice gap between green and white lines, and also price is at price pulse discount zone or at a equilibrium zone with some buy order blocks. Here price is at premium zone or equilibrium zone with sell order blocks. If you just wait for this condition for any ticker, 95% of the time you will make money. Right? Just wait for, right? Whenever you get a buy or sell, you see, okay, is this condition satisfying? If so, you can make, right? Whatever for every ticker you can make in 5, 6 different ways. Right? For example, on GC you get it, right? If you get it on GC, you can do GC long, you can do silver long, you can do platinum long, you can do, right, GLD calls, GLD bull puts, sell GLD puts, buy SLV calls, SLV bull puts. So so whenever you find either gold or ES or NQ, anything, if you find condition for silver, you can make money in all these ways. If you find for ES or NQ or for RTY or YM, you can make money in all these ways. So all you are doing is just waiting for one setup, then you can make money in 10 different ways. Yet again, I can list a lot more. Just I'm sharing you a simple example. So any questions? So the magic pattern will happen for every ticker. It will happen minimum 2 or 3 times for every ticker. Right? It is not just once. So if I go here and click on current symbol. So if you see GC reversing, right, at 12:05, it said at 10:05, 28.98. 10:05, it said 20. It is price is reversing, right? That means it went all the way here around 10 o'clock. And yeah, around this time, I got that. Okay, now there is a reversal. Trend is reversing. Then it came all the way down. Then again, when it started moving up, again it gave a trend reversal. Like that, just for one ticker, you will have lot of opportunities. You go to ES. You can set notification all. You don't need to manually watch. Right? You can see that 6107, 6105 on 5 minute time frame at 6:35, 6089. Right around 9:05, we got a trend reversal. It said that yes, is changing to bearish. It went all the way up, started coming down, came all the way down. So all you need to do, go to E5 and you say, whenever there is a trend change, let me know. You will get a, so whenever this is at the top, started dropping, you will get a notification. It said that 60, right, around 9 o'clock, 9:05. If you got this around 9:05, you can see we got a trend reversal. Your price pulse became red, your T5 became red, this started dropping. So if you just wait for that alert and take that, that would have made, right? If somebody got some SPX puts, QQQ puts, right, SQQ calls, whatever, they would have made huge money, right? We got a bear calls, all those, right? Again, while trying, it was going up, we made a mistake of doing bull puts, but again, we did the bear calls, we made a lot of money on the bear calls. It tried to go up, but again came down because sellers were in full control. So all you need to do is set that notification on all the tickers. Then whenever you receive the notification, go and check. Okay, is it is it at the top? Is it at the bottom? Is this turn red? Is this turn red? Okay, if all those things happen, just take a shot. Or you got a reversal, you see, okay, this became green, this is close to a discount zone. Okay, you will make $200-300. So that is our magic pattern. All you need to do, set a notification on the trend change. Whenever you receive the notification, go and see whether you see this pattern or this pattern. If you see this type, then ignore because there is no gap at all. You don't get a notification, but even if you get a notification, you need to wait for this pattern, this gap to form. Right? That means really buyers are taking full control. Here sellers are taking full control. Then every day you can make three, 400, $500 easily with one account, one contract. If you have 10 accounts, you can multiply. So that is our magic pattern strategy. You have to just go to different tickers. If you go to silver, go there, select T5, select a trend change, create. That's it. Whenever there is a trend change, whenever it starts moving up, you will receive a notification. And if you see nice gap and you see that, oh, it came to a discount, there are buyers, then it will move up. So if we wait for the proper setup and take it, our risk is minimal. If you are taking somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, you don't know, it can go up, it can go down. But if you wait for a bottom or you wait for a top, you waited for the bottom and then it started moving up. Then it will say, okay, buyers took the control. Trend changed from sellers to buyers. Then you will make money. Right? Is it making sense? Can you, right? All we are doing is when you get that condition, you are also checking, right? So here, when you got a notification, right, when it started dropping, you also see that, right? You got a notification. You will see that, oh, T5 became red, price pulse became red, and it also shows that there is a premium zone. Then you are 100% confident. It went to the premium zone. Now sellers took the control. I see the gap and I see that price is dropping. So now just one contract of silver in personal account, that will be nearly your 2 weeks salary. This one would have made $3,000, 4,000. Right? Same thing. When you see this pattern, now go to GC. Nearly you will see the same pattern at same time. You will see a nice gap. This price T5 turn red, price pulse turn red. Then it came all the way to the from premium, it came all the way to the discount zone. Again, if you go to platinum, you see the same thing at same time. You see, go to the copper, it is little different compared to others. But still, if you don't see the confluence, wait, don't take the trade. But if we wait for a proper setup and proper, right, that is your trade. This is your trigger point. Until you see this notification, you won't even take the trade. Whenever you see this notification, then you go check, okay, is my T5 red? Okay, good. Is my price pulse red? Okay, am I close to premium? If it is a short, you have to be close to premium. If you got a reversal somewhere at the bottom or it started moving up, you should be somewhere here. Then you can take the trades. Otherwise, if you don't see this notification, don't even try to enter or exit. If you follow this strategy, 90%, right? If you follow this strategy and make, right, two losses out of 10 trades, let me know. Then I'll refund you the money, right? But if you follow the strategy, wait for the confluence, right? You got a reversal alert, you are at a premium zone, your T5 became red, your price pulse became red, 5, 600, right? Even 200, 300, and you multiply with 10 accounts, that is a 3,000 is a huge money, right? This can make 2,000, but even we don't want 2,000 because you can scale up with 10 accounts. Even if you make 2, 300, that you multiply with 10, that is 3,000 done. So all we are waiting for this setup. So that is our magic pattern where you wait for the notification. Whenever you receive notification for any of the stickers, then you go and watch the chart. And if one of these, right, whatever I explain happens, right, you are somewhere here, or you are somewhere here, or you are somewhere here with some nice order blocks. Then you enter the trade. When you get the notification, if none of these three are happening, then you don't take a trade. Right? And if you get one trade, right? As I explained, Friday, if we'd have waited for this to happen, then we'd have made huge 500, 600% with all the puts and everything. So that is our magic pattern strategy. The second one is the second strategy is 1 hour strategy. 1 hour. So again, 95% of the time you will make with the magic pattern strategy. But I am also explaining one more strategy where here you don't even need to worry about T5. Go to 1 hour. And for example, you see in 1 hour there are a lot of buyers. You put a you put support there, right? If you want, you can also add text 1 hour support. In the same way, if you have a 1 hour resistance, you see some big sell order blocks in 1 hour, or you see whatever is the highest value, that is like your 1 hour resistance. No, you don't take trades in 1 hour because within 1 hour there can be a lot of up and downs. Now you can go to 5 minutes or even 3 minutes, and I can, for example, I can put a my limit order here. I can put sell order, right? I can put a sell limit, for example. Here I can put a sell, and then I can put my stop loss little bit above. So because now you see in 1 hour there are a lot of sellers, or in 1 hour there are a lot of buyers. So even before sleeping, right? Before sleeping also, you go to a chart. Let us say you are you are going to sleep. If you have 150K account, right? 50K account, this is risky strategy. But for example, before sleeping, I can go. I'll find out where I have my buy orders. Right? I have my buy order there. I have my buy order here. So here there is a huge buy order. Here there is a huge, not very huge, but it's okay. So now I can go to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Right? Let us take 5 minutes. Now I can go and put a buy ES, and I can go a little bit down, and I can do sell ES. So when price comes here, because it is a 1 hour support, that means very, very strong support. Generally, there will be a lot of buyers there. When price comes and touch that, immediately it will start going up. So in the midnight, right, because you cannot keep awake all the time, you are keeping your order, limit order there with a little bit down, you are putting a stop loss. So whenever price comes here, even though you are not awake, it will touch this and go up. By the time in the morning you get up, it will be going up. You will make $300-400 without any emotions, right? So let's take one more example. So first thing is you have to go to 1 hour. See like for which ticker your support or rest or your big buy order block or sell order block is close by. Let us say, right, you have some big sell order block here. Then just to put a line, and then you can just add sell, right? Maybe a little bit below the current that price, do a sell, and then little bit above that, do a buy. That means if price is going there and not right, not dropping, then 90% it will drop because there are nearly 11,600 sellers here. They want to push the price down. If suddenly price starts coming here, if it touches this again, it will drop. But for some reason, if it starts going up, then you can take stop loss here. But if it drops, you will make by the time you get up, you will make $600-700, $800, even while you are sleeping. Is it making sense? You are going to 1 hour. So you will go to 1 hour time frame because your 1 hour will accumulate all the small orders and show a big order. Then your 1 hour resistance is much more stronger than your 5 minutes resistance. Your 5 minute resistance can be broken if there are more buyers. 5 minutes can be easily broken, right? One of the members he made nearly $28,000 within 2-3 days using this strategy. Even while sleeping also, you can make money using this strategy. Just go to 1 hour, see where the sell orders are. You see there are a lot of sell orders. See, right? Okay, this is the candle which is close to this. So you try to sell somewhere here. You put, you go here, click on that and do a stop loss order. So whenever price goes and hit that, automatically it will start dropping. It will start dropping and it may come all the way here. You can, if you want, you can even put a target buy order here. So when it comes here, you can buy. So even while you are in office, you are sleeping also, you can make money with this strategy. Right? This price pulse indicator will show you where your big buyers, big sellers are. Use that levels. Here I can put a buy order, right? Here I have nearly 7.3. So I can go here, do buy, go a little bit down, go sell. So if price comes here first, then immediately it will take a buy order, it will start moving up. It may go all the way up and then again drop. So yes, again you are not taking, right. Your trades are placed in 3 minutes only. You are only looking at or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You are only looking at those order blocks where you have support or resistance, and then you are placing the orders. And whenever price goes there, right, over midnight, it may go after 3 4 hours. May go touch this. Suddenly, right, in the Europe time frame, in the Asia market, tomorrow evening it may just slowly go, right, roam around here. And then when Europe market starts, volume will increase, then it will go and hit this. Then again it will start moving, moving, moving. By US market, it will come here. Again in US market, again there are a lot of sellers. Whatever happens in Europe market, that will get reversed by US market. US market, again there can be a big dump. So while you are sleeping, you kept a buy order here. If it touches during the Europe market, it will start making money. Your risk reward is right. You are putting some 100, 150 risk. But if it touches this and starts moving up, you will make, right. You are going to the 3 minute. You are only identifying the line here in 1 hour. In 1 hour, you are just identifying, okay, this is my buy order block or this is my place where it can go up, right? Because there are a lot of buyers. This is a discount zone. There is also big buyers, right? Our condition satisfied, right? Again, going back to your basics, your condition satisfied. Okay, I need to buy at a discount zone plus limit buy orders. That is a good condition. So it's satisfied. So now I'll go to 3 or 5 and then I can put a go here and I can say little bit above also you can do. You can say add buy. Whenever price comes here, you are buying it and go little bit down and you put a stop loss. So if price comes and starts moving up, you will make nice profit. By the time you get up, you will see 500, 600, 800 in your account. Let me see if that member is there. Uh, that member made nearly $28,000 on a. I don't think he joined, but yeah. So again, I mentioned this strategy sometime back, but like this, there are so many ways if you explore, right? Or 5 minutes, you got a buy, right? You got a strong buy, strong sell. Then you go to 1 minute and only look for whenever it is going up, you take. Again, you see a red candle, you take the profit, wait for again to go up. So that is another 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 minute strategy. If you are mainly trading NQ, right? So let us go to E55. You got a strong sell in 5 minutes. So whenever you receive a strong sell, sometimes if you do a sell here, there is a huge candle. By the time you sell, immediately it will go up. You get panic. So now what you do is when you see a sell, you go to 1 minute. And now you wait for the next drop or you wait for the next red candle. You got a strong sell. Now you wait for the next strong sell signal in the 1 minute. Whenever you get a strong sell, you take a short. Again, you get a strong sell, you take a short. Because within 5 minutes, so here you got a strong sell. If you are selling here, suddenly candle moved up, you get panic, you take a loss. Then immediately it dropped so much. Because by this time, in 1 minute, it went all the way to the discount zone. And then it started moving up. So that's why you wait for a sell signal in 5 minutes. Whenever sell signal happens in 5 minutes, go to 1 minute. And then you keep on taking every time you get a sell, you take it. Right? If you want, you can have something like this. Right? In one chart, you put 1 minute. In one chart, you put 5 minutes. So here you see a sell. Then now you go here, and whenever you get a sell signal, you take the short opportunities. As long as it is strong sell, you will keep taking sell. If you get a buy, you ignore it because your higher time frame is telling you it is going down. Your lower time frame, because your 1 minute candle will come much faster rather than your 5 minutes candle. So that is your third strategy, right? So I explained three different strategies. One is magic pattern strategy. One is your 1 hour strategy. Go to 1 hour, identify where big buyers. So if you follow any of these three strategies, right, 85 to 90% of the time you will make money every day with futures or stocks or options. Either use 1 hour strategy, 5 minute, 1 minute strategy, or the magic pattern strategy. You will make money without hitting stop loss, without blowing your accounts. You will make nice profits. So again, if you want to try out for 2 3 days, you take right. You don't even need to take a. You just trade in a paper account. You go to Trading View, take a paper account, and you take the trades. Once you gain the confidence, then you can trade in the evaluation accounts or your personal account like that. But if you do that, right, again, there are a lot of members who are making money with this strategy, with magic pattern strategy, or we have top trend strategy, right? Top trend, super buy, super sell. So now instead of price pulse, right, we can use top trend. Right? For example, you got a strong sell. So generally, strong sell means your 1 minute, 5 minute, 50, everything is bearish. You get a strong sell. Or if everything 1, 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, everything is bearish, you get a super sell. So you wait for the strong sell or super sell, and if your clouds are red, your background is red, that means it is very bearish. Or you get a super buy. Your clouds are green, your background is green, that is very good for long strategy. So here you got a you touch the resistance, you got a sell, it went all the way down. So like that, there are so many different strategies, but you have to again. I don't want to confuse you by too many strategies. So forget about this, right? For now, either this is the best one, easy one, 95% success. If you use this one, even while sleeping also, you can mark the levels, you can put it 90, 85 to 90% success. This is also 85 to 90% success. So again, on Monday, right, or tomorrow evening, I'll do a live demo. I'll tell you, okay, now I'm using 1 hour strategy. So that's what we did, right? That's what I'm telling, overnight strategy. Before sleeping, I saw that yes, there is a big sell order block. Then I went and I did a bear call spread above that sell order block. So if price goes, the chances for price to go up above is very, very less, especially in the night time. So if I do a bear call spread, even by the time morning, even if there is no more choppy also, we can make money. So any questions on the three strategies? This is called trading view application. We built our custom indicators. So yeah, there is a trading view application where we have our own software. We are using that software to show all these where the big buyers are, big sellers are, where we can do the buy, sell, all those things. How to close the overnight call, just like how you do the bull puts, bear calls, same thing. So how to set the target profit? You can put for $300, $400. Now you do for magic pattern, you don't need to consider any trend or anything because already it went so much up and there is a sell order block. Uh, the buy order, the percentage denotes how much volume took place at that price level. If there are 100 transactions, nearly 30 transactions took at that particular level. That's what the percentage denote. Magic pattern, if we don't see gap, then yeah, don't take anything. Yeah, that is right. Don't take any trades. Right? That means still it is in a choppy or consolidation situation. Only when there is a gap, that means the buyers took the full control. Generally, if the magic pattern forms, then already the retesting might have happened. You don't need to worry about retesting the discount zones. In trading view, you can go and you can click on this and you can do two window, three window, four window like that. So here you can do two and then go to first window, select 5 minutes, go to second window and select 1 minute. Like that, you can watch 5 minutes, 1 minute at same time. Yeah, you can set the automatic sell orders. So price pulse and T5 are like indicators. They are like softwares telling you where to buy, where to sell. Yeah, this is for beginners, right? All the many homemakers who doesn't know anything about trading are doing and successful. Yes, we have all the premium channels where we tell when to buy, when to sell. Yeah, at around 7 o'clock, we have a setup session where we will help all the members on how to set up everything, starting from how to setup for prop firms, how to get the ninja trader, replicant, all these things. So yeah, if you go here, this link, you have everything, right? If anybody want to subscribe to alerts channel, right? If they want to just receive the alerts, they can just go and click on, okay, I want options, or I want stocks, I want futures and crypto, I want forex like that, or I want India options. But that is more expensive. You pay 200 for here, 150 for here, 150 for here. If you just get these indicators, then you can learn all this because the logic is same. For anything, this is the common logic. Right? What I explained is the common logic for whatever you want to buy, whatever you want to sell. This is the common logic. Right? In top trend, you see that in the form of a channel. Right? This is like a bottom of the channel. This is the top of the channel. If it goes to the top and you get a sell, good. If it comes all the way to the bottom and you get a buy, that is good. So here it will be in the form of a channel, whereas so here it is a channel. If you get a buy at the bottom of the channel, or you get a sell at the top of the channel. If you use price pulse, it is more in the form of a discount zone, support zone, like that. So all we need to do is just wait for a good setup. If you wait for a good setup and take the trade, your risk is minimal. Right? Now you know that, okay, now I am at a premium zone. Some big companies are also selling. Let me sell. You'll easily make $300-400. Or you are at a discount zone. Some big companies are buying. You also buy. You will make 300-400. If we do somewhere in middle, it can go up. It can go down. You get panic. You will sell it off. So all we need is that patience to wait for a premium zone or a discount zone. And then either you do, if you are at a discount, there buy orders, you do bull puts. You are at a premium zone, you see sell orders, you do bear calls. You can make huge money every day, right? You can do for anything. There are thousands of stocks. Out of these thousands of stocks, either something or other will be at a premium, something will there will be a lot of sell orders here, or something will be at a discount. There will be a lot of buy orders here. Go here to the bull puts. Go here to the bear calls. If your price is close to premium and lot of sell orders, do the bear calls. If your price is at discount, lot of buy orders, do the bull puts. Your risk is minimal, 90-95% you will make money. Uh, yeah, again, once you get these indicators, you know whether the price is at premium or price is at discount, right? If you, I already told you that example, right? So, for example, if you see copper, so copper is close to a big sell order block, and also it is at a premium zone. So tomorrow morning we may see a big drop on copper. Tomorrow evening when market opens. Easily we can make few, right? If I do a bear call spread here or here, that is like my free money because I know premium zone. I know there are a lot of sellers. If I do a bear call, because even if it goes up and it will drop again. It already moved so much from here, right? From 4.4, it went all the way to 4.6. Lot of move on one day. So definitely tomorrow there will be a retracement. It will drop. So if I do bear call spreads here tomorrow night, by the time Monday morning I get up, I'll make some $500-600 while sleeping. And because you are already at the top of the box, and you also see your friends are selling, your big companies are selling, then you have 100% confidence that price will, because they invested millions of dollars, they'll try to push it down. They'll add another 1 million, another 1 million to bring the price down. Because they are the big companies, they have millions of dollars to. So whatever they did, they will try to push the price towards the direction. I already shared a video on how to do future spreads. Yeah, as of now, it is still right. Still, there is no gap, but tomorrow evening we may see it starts dropping. So when I see that it starts dropping, then I'll take the trade. I'll wait for the confirmation, right? All we need to do is just either this, right? You wait for this strategy, or you do this strategy, or you do this strategy. One of these three strategies you follow consistently. Within 1 month, you will be very successful trader. You won't be right. You don't need to worry about jobs, visas, all those things, right? Because you are following a systematic approach. You are trading like what the big companies are doing. If the big companies are selling, you are selling. If the big companies are buying, you are buying there, right? Otherwise, as a retail trader, we wait for price to go up. When it goes all the way up, we buy here. You buy here, immediately they sell it. Then you try to sell it at the discount. You wait, right? Even though your stop loss hits, we wait. When it comes all the way down, we sell. They buy, right? When they are selling, we buy at the top. When they are buying, we sell at the bottom, right? We do completely opposite. We need to buy at the bottom. We need to sell at the top. Whereas we buy at the top, we sell at the bottom. That is where the big companies are 95% profitable. Retail traders are 95% times they are in the losing end. So that's why if we can do as the big companies, we can be 90-95% profitable. That's where this strategy, these indicators will help you to be successful. Right? If not 95, even if we make 85% of the time, if you use correct position size, you will be successful. Yeah, we have to wait for the strategy, right? Only when it does, then we have to take the copper. So that means that many sell orders are waiting there. So there are nearly 2000 sell orders, limit orders waiting for price to go a little bit up. Then those orders will get filled. PDH means previous day high. PDL means previous day low. That green rectangle means it is telling this T5. This is the T5 indicator is telling price will go up. Then your price pulse also telling that price will go right. From red it turned to blue. If this is green, this is blue, good for long. If both of them are red, good for short. Yeah, 1.8K order is for futures, it is a big order, not for stocks. Yeah, you can set up alerts for all these patterns. Yeah, we have not for two, you have another thing called as T55. So the what T55 will do is that will give you the strong buy, strong sell signals. So that will look at T5, that will look at price pulse. When this is green, then it will tell, okay, this is a good opportunity to go long. Then it went all the way up. So if you buy the three indicator plan, you get this price pulse T5, T55. That is good enough for you to make nice profits 85 to 90% of the time if you follow the strategy. Right? Sometimes you may trade with FOMO or we may trade without following the strategy. That's where we take the. But if we follow the system, if we follow the strategy, 85 to 90% of the time we make money. Yeah, small green horizontal rectangles are small order blocks. So order numbers based on the ticker, right? If you have 500 to 1000, that is a good number for futures. If you have 100,000 for stocks, but for Tesla, Nvidia, you need to have minimum 1 to 2 million. Yeah, sure, Vamshi, I'll do that. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So you have to go to ninja_fx_ bot in Telegram, and then you can get the three indicator plan. Once you make some money, you can upgrade to 5 indicator plan, because with 5 indicator you get more confluence, more. But yeah, again, I'll be taking trades in the live session. You can watch for a few days. When I'm taking the trade, I'll tell you that okay, now gold came all the way to the top. It started dropping. We see the trend is changing. Right? Then you can watch. If after a few days, you don't need to wait, right? Wait for live sessions or anything. Once you understand the strategy, you can get up in morning 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, or you can trade at 11 p.m., 12 p.m., whenever you want. Because it's all about, if you understand the strategy, you are 100% independent. You can take stocks, you can do options, you can do futures, you can do cryptocurrencies, whatever you want, you can do. The concept is just this simple concept. All you need is wait for this, or wait for this, or wait for this. Don't trade somewhere here, somewhere here. When you wait for a proper level, 85-90% will make money. Right? Yeah, I'll share the recording. And I generally take live session in the evening between 7 to 9, and in the morning from 9 to 11. And I'll share the document. Yeah, again, you can do swing trading, right? Instead of 5 minutes, because prop firms, they want to close the trades on same day. But if you want to take the trades in 1 hour, you go right. You use 1 hour for swing trading. When you get a strong buy, you can hold for 1, 2 days, 3 days until you see a strong sell. You can hold the trade. If it is a personal prop firm account, because you have to close the trades on same day, we use 5 minutes. Yeah, just you need to wait for the pattern change and then look for the confluence and take the trades. You will be successful 90% of the time. Yeah, when you select the three plans, then you will get right any three indicators. So don't worry about the description there. Yeah, you can do trail stop loss in trading view. Yes, you can go to the trade and you can put order. You can put to take profit and all those things. Stop loss. While creating order itself, you can do everything. The trail stop loss you cannot do, but you can put your target stop loss at the same time. If you use Ninja Trader, you can do trail stop loss and all those things. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining in. I'll share the recording and I'll share the Word document in the premium channel. So, yeah, again, right? We know we can make money. It is up to you. If you want to make money, you want to be another successful, uh, right, without worrying about your job. You will see a lot more success stories. If you want to be part of them, yeah, you can join. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Talk to you and have a nice rest of the weekend. Yeah, 7 p.m. CST is where we have the setup session, where we help all the new members to set up all the indicators, everything. Yeah, I'll post the link in the premium channel. Once you subscribe, you'll be part of some Indicator premium channels. That is where you'll get all the links. You can join the session and we'll help you. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Bye. Yeah, thanks, Vinay. Yeah, we all need to be continuous students. We all learn from each other, and we all can grow together. Thanks, everyone. Bye.